All for smiles!
March break!
All you need is jars, food coloring, water, and paper towel. And we're going to use 3 colors, so we'll fill 3 cups with water. Enough that the paper towel, once it's dipped in, will be able to reach the water. It'll level itself out over time, if I'm doing it right. And then we'll add our food coloring. Let's do pink in this one. It's 10 drips, I think.
And we mix it up so it can look like water.
That's right, and mix it up. This one will be blue. And then you take your paper towel, it's folded up, and you dip it in from one jar, like this, into the empty jar beside it. And then you just wait and see what happens.
Just wait. A simple and exciting experiment.
Bye-bye!